So, you just bought a fancy camera and are you confused? What is ISO? How does this affect your media? Does ISO do anything for your photos? How does ISO affect your videos? Let's find it out in this video. I am Titan, you're watching Tech ASAP. Let's begin. First of all, what is ISO? ISO stands for International Standards Organization. And I know it isn't weird at all and makes a lot of sense. Just like lots of likes on this video will help the video to get more reach. So, like this video. In case of cameras, ISO means Standard System for Measurement of Sensitivity for Light of a Photographic Film or a Digital Camera Sensor. Back in the days of your grandpa and film rolls, every roll of film was differentiated based on film speeds, in other words, sensitivity for light by ISO ratings. Even though we don't use film anymore, ISO ratings act the same. Basically, ISO is like a volume knob that controls the sensitivity of the camera sensor or photographic film to light. Just like film has speed ratings, ISO is measured in numbers like 100, 200, 400, 800 and so on. And with technology, this is going to increase even more. Speaking of increase, you can increase the quality of content by subscribing to the channel and being a part of our community. Lower the ISO number, lower the sensitivity for light. With every increment in ISO value, light sensitivity doubles. This reduces the light required to produce an image by half. We can control ISO to create an image with correct exposure that is neither too light nor too dark. Since digital cameras do not use film anymore and use image sensors instead, controlling ISO becomes very easy. Then you might think, higher ISO means better images for you, right? Only if it was that easy. When you see these advantages of high ISO, you might think so. We all know that when we crank up the volume of any music, the music that we hear from the speakers get distorted and the quality of the sound decreases. Similarly, at higher ISO, the quality of images decreases drastically, introducing noise and grain into your media. That is, your photos or even videos. Make sure you remember that ISO is always set at the end. ISO is one of the three main pillars of exposure along with shutter speed and aperture. There are dedicated videos about these on the channel. You can watch those or help this video to get more reach by sharing this video whenever and wherever you can. Thank you for watching.